In August 2022, we covered one of the hottest semiconductor companies, Nvidia. Then, data from Trackstar, our proprietary sentiment indicator, showed Nvidia had only 35% more searches by financial pros than rival advanced micro devices. Right now, Nvidia pulls in 3 times the search volume of AMD. In August, we gave Nvidia a 6 out of 10, but we've changed our rating to just 4 out of 10. Nvidia is the premium graphics card maker that blossomed in the late 90s, disappeared for a decade, and then re-emerged as a leader in AI chips. Its use of parallel processing allows algorithms to run simultaneously on thousands of computing cores. Today, Nvidia dominates the data center, visualization, and gaming markets, leveraging partnerships with nearly every major cloud service provider. And until 2022, excluding 2019, Nvidia grew at a blistering pace, yet it maintained excellent operating and profit margins. Excess supply, a one-off $1.6 billion charge, and higher R&D costs raised operating expenses in 2022. The company expects better gross margins and flat operating expenses in Q1 23. And Nvidia holds plenty of cash and has very little long-term debt relative to its size. But we struggle with the company's valuation. It's hard to get behind a company valued at nearly 80 times forward earnings and 113 times operating cash flow. Rival chipmaker Intel has all sorts of challenges, yet it trades at a fraction of Nvidia's price. Everything here tells us that Nvidia is expensive. Nvidia bulls argue that the company's growth rate offsets valuation concerns. But Nvidia's year-over-year growth shows how difficult the processor environment can be. AMD had better growth in recent years and is far cheaper on a price-to-cash flow and non-GAAP PE ratios. That's not to say Nvidia doesn't deliver excellent margins and returns, but with higher interest rates and a potential recession looming, we can't get behind the stock. Its growth doesn't justify its multiples. It makes great products and delivers on its promises, but Nvidia is simply too expensive.